Made That with Jean and Krissi, and today we have the AOA Studio Hold My Brow Soap. So,
how much is this, first off?
$1.
That's crazy. Oh my gosh.
It comes in this really cute tin, and the product is inside like that. It's like a clear brow soap. So, Krissi, what does this product do?
So this will hold your brows all day. You don't have to do anything else to them. This is amazing. It's like a brow lamination without a brow lamination.
Yes. So you're gonna take your Hold My Brow. You're gonna need a spoolie brush like this, and then either waterworks or like a setting spray or anything like that is really good. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take the setting spray and you're gonna spray it a few times into the product so it kind of just gets it like nice and moist. And then you'll take the spoolie and just rub it back and forth so that it coats the spoolie. And then once you have the product on there, you're gonna brush your brows wherever you want them to go. So if you wanna just keep them in the shape that they are, but just kind of tame them, then you'll just brush them in the shape. If you like that really like kind of like model, yeah, like model
high glamour, yeah.
Like really just kind of like up in the air kind of brows, then you'll just brush them up in the front and then down towards the back. So it's such a good product. It will literally just hold your brows in the shape that you want all day long. It's good for people with a lot of brows especially too, because it tames them really, really well.
Well, thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you on the next episode.
Bye!